Senten. Hi.
Ito, it's purely for them. Tapos, simple. Part of the Joy Fest. So I think everyone will enjoy having the experience of riding the wagon.
And you'd like to call James Deacon, the Joy Wagon Salamander representative to this project. Sir?
Hey guys, what's up? Wow, I'm feeling the joy. I'm gathering it's for you though.
It's for you, sir, don't worry.
I guess you want to try riding the wagon with Alvin.
Yeah, and I want to